A few days after the beginning of the Ukrainian counteroffensive and the initial losses in tanks and armored vehicles, the Ukrainian forces changed their tactics, saw their mistakes, and started breaking through the Russian defense line across the front. And just to be clear, everyone who expected large armored strikes at individual places on the front will not see anything like that for now. The Ukrainian command decided on a series of small attacks along the entire length of the front, because that is how they attract the Russian reserves from behind and slowly break the enemy's resistance as well as the artillery defense. So, since the start of the counteroffensive on June 5th, Ukraine liberated up to 22 square kilometers southeast of Velika Novosilka, and those gains are visually confirmed. Russian lines continue to fall apart. The towns Storozheve as well as Levadne have been liberated. Ukrainian forces already hammering Russian troops in Makarivka and Urozhain. With this situation unfolding, it is likely that there is no serious Russian presence at Novodorivka and Rivnopil, unless they want to be encircled. Ukrainian forces, with the help of drones, destroyed a Russian logistics base. In other words, a high-value target. You can clearly see at least 3 military trucks, of which one even receives a direct hit. A Ukrainian drone spotted a huge concentration of enemy mines and dropped a grenade to get rid of them. Unfortunately, the explosion was big enough to take down the drone too. Rest in peace, brave drone. It died serving its country. The Tor anti-aircraft robotic system has been a bit of a Soviet pride and has been used extensively by the Russians during the war. Now systems like this end up almost daily in the Russian loss figures. Sometimes one wonders if some of those cases are not also completely self-inflicted. A whole Russian squad was captured alive, location undisclosed. The commander of the Russian Volunteer Corps, Dennis White Rex, was present at the prisoner exchange procedure. All Russian captured soldiers were offered the opportunity to volunteer to join the Russian Volunteer Corps. One of the prisoners, Vladislav Izmailov, who had previously fought in the ranks of the Wagner PMC, refused the exchange and expressed a desire to become a RVC fighter. After appropriate checks, they will be happy to give Vlad the opportunity to fight in their ranks. Taking into account the decree of the Minister of Defense of the Russian Federation, they invite all fighters of the Wagner PMC and other private paramilitary groups who are ready to fight for the new Russia against Putin's bloody gang to follow the example of Vladislav.
Есть третий вариант – продолжить воевать, но уже теперь на стороне добра, как я считаю, и справедливости. Последний шанс. Есть такие? Встань, пожалуйста. Представься, пожалуйста. Чуть погромче.
Измайлов Исаак Сергеевич, 31-10-06 года рождения, уроженец города Самара. Отказывается от обмена и возвращения в Российскую Федерацию.
Отказываешься от обмена?
Да.
This is a video of a Russian Zemlyadelia mine-laying MLRS. A huge mushroom cloud in Bakhmut. Something Russian was obliterated hard. (25th Airborne Brigade at work. Captured Russian positions.
Сейчас буду ебашить, пидоров встречать. Пацаны, а ну по привету, нахуй. Пизда, пидорам смерть, нахуй.
Підерша лежить знизу.
Да, там підерша воно лежить. Де, вона видно їй?
Так, так.
А ну. Де? Це зайняли окоп, нахуй, єбать, ще один. Підоров вибили, нахуй. Будемо далі вибивати. Ось все, я собі ласточку, диви, яку зарядив, нахуй. Зараз буду зустрічати, сука, їбать, з покемона. А воно мені, блядь, ще дружання. РПС-ка моя, тут обойми, нахуй, всі заряджені. Будемо підоров зустрічати.
Ukrainian MiG-29 fighters work on the front line at extremely low altitudes, supporting the advance of the infantry units. This is a burning Russian air defense system, probably the TOR, of one of the units of the Russian armed forces, located in the Zaporizhia region.
Этих пацанов, суки. Ебаные. Гондоны, блядь. Ёбки вы ебаные. А, блядь, сейчас ебет. Пидоры. Пидоры. Гондон. Держитесь, пацаны.
Attention! Baltic countries. Russian propagandist Solovyev plans to come and liberate you from Nazism.
Во-первых, очень рад тебя видеть.
Спасибо. Взаимно, дорогой.
А то мы последний раз, в крайний раз, когда встречались, мы были в красоте, в лесу.
Да. Там было чисто и красиво.
Да, прям как Прибалтика, хотя и Луганск.
Вот в Прибалтике я не был.
Будем
К
еще.
сожалению. Ну, я так планирую заехать туда, потому что там тоже...
Освобождать от нацизма
Да,
надо.
надо.
The main factory of Rosselmash in Rostov-na-Don, Russia, is burning. The company produces agricultural equipment. Firing at 600 rounds per minute, possessing a thermal imaging sight and a collimator target pointer, the Victor anti-air complexes are protecting the skies of Ukraine from drones. They come to Ukraine from the people of the Czech Republic.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.